Hi everyone, it's Dr. Andrew, and today I want to talk about a powerful application for health that you can do for yourself using only your two hands, which helps you achieve better sleep at night and gives you more energy during the day. It helps your memory, it helps your nervous system, your organs, your immune system, it calms the mind, it relieves stress, it relaxes and rejuvenates your body, and helps physical, mental, and emotional issues. We call it the TKM Median application because we're working with the median of the body, like this. It's an 8-step application and we recommend you stay a minimum of 5 minutes per step. So 8 times 5, that's 40 minutes. For that investment of your time, you can help prevent a lot of health projects, and also it helps you sleep better at night. To do this, we're using our left and right finger pads where the fingerprints are located. We're not using the tips, we're using the pads. And so the first step is to place your right finger pads to the top of the head where the crown is, and the left finger pads to the center of your forehead, like this. Again, you stay for a minimum of 5 minutes per step, and you're doing this while you're lying down in bed, so you may want to use throw pillows to support your arms because you want to be ready to fall asleep anytime. The beauty of this application is that a lot of people who do this, especially for the first time, usually fall asleep within the first or the second step. It also works for myself. You don't benefit from the whole 8 steps, but it means that your body has already benefited by being relaxed. You stay for 5 minutes and you move your left hand. So for the first 7 steps of this application, you're only moving the left hand. The right hand stays at the top of the head and only moves at the very last step, which is the 8th step. From the first step, you're moving from the center of the forehead to the tip of the nose, like so. Or you may want to do it this way, whichever is more comfortable for you. And we're not applying any pressure, we're just applying contact. The third step would be the center of the collarbone. This is the collarbone, and where it meets, usually there's an indentation, and I usually place the middle finger pad right where that indentation is. Now after a minimum of 5 minutes, you move to the 4th step, which is the center of the chest, where the breastbone is. You're going to feel bone protruding at the center of the chest. The 5th step would be the sternum, which is where your ribs meet, over here. For some, you may have a pointed piece of cartilage and you want to place the center of your middle finger pad right where the tip of that cartilage is. For others, like myself, that cartilage is pointing inward, so you're not going to feel a pointed tip, but you're just going to place your finger pads where the sternum is. The 6th step would be the navel, and I usually place the middle finger pad right on top of the navel. The 7th step would be the center of the pubic bone. And what you want to do is to apply pressure. Remember, we don't need pressure, we only need contact, but you want to locate your pubic bone by applying pressure, and you want to go to the top of the pubic bone. You don't have to apply any pressure once you locate the top of the pubic bone. Now finally, for the last step, the left finger pads stay where they are at the pubic bone, and you are only going to be moving your right finger pads from the top of the head to the tip of your coccyx. So the coccyx is the tip at the end of the spine, and you want to be at the very tip of the coccyx. And when you're lying down, you may want to move to your side to locate the tip of the coccyx. Once you finish those 8 steps, you've completed the median application and you've reaped all of the benefits. And I've also included a link for the median sequence online. Our website, kinginstitute.org, and credit goes to King Institute Better Health Center. It's what we give to all of our clients, and we recommend that they share it with their loved ones and their friends. All you have to do is invest your time in doing this. It's free to apply. You don't have to pay us every time you do this. You don't have to pay any royalties every time you share it to friends or they share it to others. All it takes is an investment of your time, at least 40 minutes once a day, preferably twice a day. And you do this before you sleep at night and right before you get out of bed in the morning. I hope you apply this for yourself and you share this with your loved ones. Please like my page, Natural Health Methods, so that you can stay updated with all of the new videos that I'll be coming up with. And I'll be teaching a lot more of these TKM one-step applications that you can apply on yourself to help a lot of different health projects. Until the next video, I'll see you then.